If you're not able to make your account in ClickBank or not made any sales with ClickBank, I'm going to show you a ClickBank alternative, that is Digistore 24. This is amazing platform guys for any affiliate marketer to begin with, and this is very new. And two of the best thing about Digistore 24 is guys, this is available in so many different countries like Nigeria as well as India guys, and you are also going to get different payment method or mode so that you can get your commission. And if you're not able to make your account in ClickBank and you're from the country like India or Nigeria, this is the video you have to watch till the end. And if you're first time here guys, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading the videos on Monday and Thursday related to affiliate marketing, one of the business model from which you can make money online working from your home. ClickBank is one of the first choice of any affiliate marketing beginners guys, because of their various categories as well as they are available in 200 plus countries and 20 years into online marketing guys. This is very huge for any platform like ClickBank, because in my last 8 years I have seen so many company came like ClickBank and they just simply gone, okay, and they have paid $4.2 billion guys. And I am into ClickBank from past 4 to 5 years and promoting their products. Their commissions are always in time, and joining this platform is completely free guys, so you can select your country from here. So in case if they are not allowing your country right now, even if you're here or if your country is not there guys, you have a best alternative, that is Digistore 24 affiliate marketing program. It is new definitely, and it is made in Germany guys, and their presence are very good right now, and some of their features are really good, right? They are integrated with so many different softwares, as well as guys, if you can see their sales and payment methods, they have different mode as well as period to withdraw your commissions, okay, that I'm going to show you in a second once we'll make an account here. As well as guys, here you can see they also have a mobile app, something which is really differ, okay, with other marketplace. Also they are tie up with lot of different autoresponders. Look at this, Aweber as well as Get Response, okay, so that you can collect your emails, okay. So this makes something different, right, than any other marketplace. So to making your account guys here, or to register with it, you have to click register now here, and then here you can see this is their sign up form. So you get the three option over here. One is vendor and affiliate, another you have just affiliate. So if you don't have any product or to sell in this marketplace, just select affiliates. And then now guys, a few of the things which is very important here is your username. So whatever the username you're going to put, like, right, this is my username, so I put Raj next, and here you can see they will automatically going to create your affiliate links over here, okay. As well as your email, passwords are important, and your name, all these things you have to put here. One of the different thing from other marketplace they have is the mobile verification. So whatever your country guys, look at this, India, and also if you're looking for Nigeria, so make sure you're selecting your country right and putting the right number over here, because once if you put your phone number guys, and once if you register, if you click here register, they will take you to the dashboard where you have to verify your mobile number. That means they will send you a code in your mobile number, and then you have to put the code there in the dashboard. So now you have to click register for free now. So if I click here, it's login. So this is the dashboard of Digistore 24 affiliate marketing program. In the top you can see your ID, as well as you have to select, right, affiliate by, and then this is the total summary of your account. Here you can see the earning, how many unique click you made, earning per click, as well as the cancellation and return and chargeback, okay. As well as one of the thing which the feature they have added is that, right, average return rate of all Digistore 24 products, that is 6%. So putting together whatever the product they have, they're showing the return rate which is 6%, which is good for any market affiliate marketing, right, marketplace like this, okay. And here you can see daily earning, you can see your chart right here, which ClickBank also have it, daily earning and daily earning chart. So this is, right, in the ClickBank, this is the chart they are talking about, the hops, how much the hops you got it here. So, and here also you can see the gross sales, net sales, refund, chargebacks, all these things, okay, by selecting this. I have not started promoting this one guys. Once I'll start promoting this guys, I'm going to document here in my channel guys, as I am documenting, right, my ClickBank sales also, okay. And also one of the thing here, you can see the top 5 vendors as well as top 5 products. So what are the product which you have promoted and made a lot of money from this, you can see right all of these things here. So before we get into the right marketplace, guys, there are two most important thing. One is detail as well as there is payout account. So let's get into details. So here in the details, guys, if you have not filled all these things, guys, I will recommend you to fill out all these things so that you can show yourself you're a legit affiliate marketer. And one of the thing is I was talking about in the beginning was, guys, mobile verification. So this is really important. So look, right now here you can see right my mobile number and everything, okay, which is verified already. Then you have to get into payout account. So here they have three different option of payout per month, guys. You can get the payout 4 times in a month, 2 times in a month, or 1 time in a month. They are also given the date. But here one thing you have to understand, whenever you get your payout, they're going to charge you, depends the payment method which you're going to select, okay. So it's if you're going to select right 4 times in a month, guys, that means 4 times if you get the withdrawal every time, right, they're going to charge you some dollars, right, depend upon the payment method and the country which you are selecting. So I will highly recommend you to go by only one if you are a beginner, because whenever you make some money, they're going to charge you some $10-15 for the conversion. Okay, it's best to get right one time, right. With this you can save some money. Okay, now guys, payout threshold, you can set up like 50 is minimum, guys, 50 to 100 or whatever you want in a month, okay. And then guys, keep everything like this, okay. One more option they have is notify by email. You can put some separate email which you have, so whenever you make some sales or some notification, you'll get there, okay. This is good option here. And then guys, in the payment method here you can see they have a PayPal method, US bank transfer, international bank transfer. There are two good option, right. If you are not in US, that is PayPal as well as international bank transfer. You can select two of this. So if you're selecting PayPal, guys, which I selected, right, you have to verify your PayPal account. For this, guys, let me show you how you can do this. So once you click there, guys, here you can see they are going to deduct $1 to check whether you have a right account or not, okay. So this is just want to show you. So you should have right that $1 in your account, and then you can fill out all the details, address here, and you have to select your PayPal account. Another very important change you have to see here is, guys, this option, the payout option, and here you have to select is made in USD, or else you can also use is made in the currency set for your account, okay. So here we are in the marketplace of Digistore 24. And here you can see they have given all the top selling product in this page itself, okay. So you can get into this product and you can promote, okay, all the product which is converting very well. And also they have this, right, which is showing right how much this product is giving the commission. So this product, Overnight Millionaire, is giving 92% commission, right, whereas this one is giving 75% commission. And you have a cryptocurrency offer which is giving 50% of commission. So this is moving very well, okay. You can promote all of this, and also you can go by the niche, right. You can select all this niche and you can select the product that from there also. And also one of the thing here you can see, these guys, they have given sales ranks, okay. So if you click here, it will show you in the personal development, this product is doing number 1, right. In digital product also this doing number 1, and putting together all the product which they have in the marketplace, this product is converting very well, okay. So something like how you have a gravity to find out the ClickBank product. So if you select this one here, you can see this is number 1 high converting product in fitness and health, and number 2 in digital product, and overall it's number 2, okay. And one of the things which I really like about these guys, they have given this cancellation rate and cart conversion rate. This is really important. In ClickBank, guys, we just have this gravity which we select here, or we can see the vendor spotlight, okay, how it's doing. In the Digistore 24 affiliate program, they have given the conversion rate, and if you can see this product, right, health and fitness product, which is having cart conversion of 80% as well as the right cancellation rate of 18%. So how you're going to promote, you have to select here like promote now. Now this is your link, okay, and now you have to get into the process of promoting this link. And if you want to know more about the product, they have this sales page option as well as affiliate support page option. So if you click here, so this is their sales page, okay, video sales letter, they have it, as well as this is their affiliate page also, okay. So you can get all the information here to promote this offer. So it's just very simple, guys, right, to select the product in the Digistore 24 affiliate program. Hope you're gonna like this video, guys. I'm gonna make a tutorial in this once I'll start promoting this, okay? Right, how I'm showing you the ClickBank sales, I'm gonna show you the sales of Digistore and the promotion methods. Hope you got some value from this video, guys. If you got some value, smash that like button, guys. Let me know in the comment if you want to know something more about it. And you can create a Digistore 24 account right instantly from wherever you're watching this. And if you're looking some of the promotional method, guys, you can watch my YouTube channel. Subscribe it right away if you are not subscribed. There I am sharing a lot of promotional method of ClickBank, so you can promote the same way, right, creating the funnels or landing pages. So hope you liked it. Give the thumbs up to this, and if you're first time watching, do subscribe my channel. Thank you.